Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can reset network settings in Android smartphone. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. So the first step you need to do is to access your settings. Once you do so, you need to scroll down where you will find General Management. You need to tap on that one. In General Management, all you need to do is to scroll down where you will find the reset option. Tap on that, and then you will find the reset network settings. Just here, tap on that, and here they say reset network settings, which is Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth. If you have a dual SIM mobile, you can choose the SIM card of which network you want to change the setting for. So once you select it, like if you tap here, you can select the SIM card. All you need to do is to tap on the reset setting, and here it will ask you for your security pattern or maybe passcode. Once you do that, there is only one more step to just tap on reset, and all the network settings will be reset on your Android smartphone. So guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.